So this is a pan with bacon. Basically I've put a little bit of water in with the bacon. I like it well done, and then I put a bit of butter in also with the bacon. So the idea is to cook it really well until it's crispy and then put it on some bread. But I want the water to evaporate, but I thought there was less chance of the bacon burning if I slightly wet the pan. Well, put a bit of water in, to be honest, and it's cooking in some butter as well, so I think it'll compensate for the water. The moisture in the bacon being reduced because of the hot pan, so that's the plan. And then probably just have it with dry bread because there's enough oil in it anyway. Thank you for watching, and hope to be able to load this up. Probably need a few more minutes now. I'll just keep stirring it around. And the other advantage of doing it this way is you can dip your bread in the pan, so there's not too much grease going down the sink, which can be a problem anyway with yeah. Anyway, all the best. Yeah, bye.